We back. We back. Okay, we're back. So I believe the last thing you guys saw, our truck went to paint. It came back from paint. We put everything together and it didn't fit because we are, why did we do that? Amateurs.
I don't know why that happened.
Listen.
I blocked it out.
We blocked it out, but it's a real thing. Fit everything before you paint it. Okay, okay. I know, I'm sure you guys are all like, duh, but whatever. We didn't. So we had to buy a new repop door. We had to shave some of it off.
Swallow
completely
pride.
Ruined the paint job and went back to paint. Well, it came back.
For the third time.
And it looks fantastic. Third and last. Third and final. And so now we are really in the final assembly stage.
Now we are doing all the annoying things that take forever. Putting all the badges back on, you know, fixing the lights, making sure the lights are turning on. Why aren't the lights turning on? New switches. It's just like the annoying stuff at this point. So hang in there with us. We're on the final assembly.
Final assembly. So I told the boys that they are not allowed to say that my truck is almost done.
It's almost done.
I've been hearing that for 4 months.
It's almost done.
It's not almost done.
It's almost done.
They keep saying that, but I don't believe it. I will not believe that this thing is almost done until it is literally done. Like, anyway, so I can give you a little tour of the things that we've done. Wheels and tires are on it. Everything's, you know, it's all wired. The lights are in the front. The whole front end is complete and installed.
Every body panel is on except the tailgate, but that has been on, and we're just not putting it on because I want it off while we fit the wood.
The weather stripping in the doors is on. I believe the biggest hurdle we have left to overcome is putting the driver and passenger windows in.
All the glass.
The door windows. Think it's going to be a nightmare.
But we have it all.
We have it all, but do we have it all, like, mentally?
Right now we've got seals. Our precision seals are setting. Anytime you put new seals in, they're tight, and plus it's not exactly hot yet. So we've got them closed. They're setting. The driver door has been done for a week or so, so it's already starting to feel better. But yeah, we're getting there.
Shall we say we're cruising along?
We're cruising along.
Okay, I promise I'm not going to be that cheesy this whole video, but let's go take a look at it, guys. We are so close for reals. We have registered for Battle in Bama. We are, fingers crossed, we're going to apply for $1 Million Row.
Who knows?
Who knows? We're not banking on it, but
we're going either way.
If you're going to Battle in Bama, comment down below. Let us know. We'd love to see you there.
Look for our truck.
Look for our truck. Come say hi. I'm so excited for show season. I'm ready to get this thing out and about.
If you see me, definitely say hi, because I will talk to you.
I will talk to you.
I'm not bashful.
I'm very
from
friendly.
Nashville.
Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. But anyways, we're going to Battle in Bama.
Just in the Apache. Don't look for the square.
Southeastern here in Nashville. We're going to that as well.
Both trucks will be there.
Let us know. Are there any other shows you guys are going to that you think we should consider bringing our truck to? Let us know.
Tell us.
Because I am trying to get booked and busy. We've worked too hard on this truck for it to sit in the garage. So let us know. And without further ado, let's go see the truck. It is time to rid ourselves of these hideous, absolutely heinous wheels. They're coming off. They're leaving. No. They gotta go.
I know, because we keep moving them around.
Yeah, you never knew when it was gonna poke a hole through you. So anyway, they're going off. Josh is currently bleeding the brakes, and then we're putting our new beautiful wheels and tires on. So it's getting good, guys. It's getting good. These wheels, I swear, were from 1970, like this frame. Holy moly, they are bare, and honest to God, every single one of us has stabbed ourselves.
Matt too will be glad to see these are gone.
Yeah,
He
no,
stabbed
these,
himself twice.
yeah,
On
no,
different
we've,
side.
yeah, we've all stabbed ourselves multiple times on these bare tires. So, bye-bye. So let's talk about our wheel situation. We are putting on 17-inch artillery wheels. We had Steven paint them white. They are absolutely stunning. So we're gonna get them installed. Michael would like to share a fun fact about artillery wheels.
I learned this when I was doing research. The steel artillery wheels that we have gotten here for the Apache, which are period correct, not year correct, so don't come at me. They are actually styled after when they came from wooden wheels. They're supposed to look like spokes, and that's exactly why they were built this way, to look like that. So I think that's a really cool little tidbit.
Is that cool? You let us know.
Are your wheels styled after wooden wheels? I didn't think so.
Installing a bumper is apparently a 4-person job.
Yep. 5 would be nice.
The reason this is so tricky is because our truck is painted, so we have to be very careful not to chip the paint while putting this on. So some fingers might get stubbed, but at least our paint isn't. What exactly is this contraption you were sitting on here?
This is a premium 1999.
What?
Let's see.
Oh, yeah, it's about a 99-ish.
Forerunner. You know, the only thing that would make this better is if you had a battery pack and I could hook up a heated seat on it.
But it's Jimmy
That's not a
rigged.
heated seat in it.
It's Jimmy rigged and on wheels.
We could
We
technically.
put everything on wheels.
This is a shop
We put
chair.
everything on wheels.
So what we're saying is there's a possibility by the winter of 2023 this could have a heated portable seat.
Yes.
Yeah. So stand by for that.
So our bumper, when we got this truck, was hanging out. How much did we shave it?
About 4 inches.
Yeah, it was hanging out pretty wide. So we wanted to tuck it in a little bit more. So as you can see, it's real close. But on these Apaches, usually these things are sticking way out.
See, there's your parking lights.
Ah.
There you go.
I think we are going to change these to amber lights. I got in trouble for calling them orange lights earlier. They're amber lights.
Turn the lights off, buddy.
I got mansplained that they were amber lights, not orange. Let's talk about your mansplaining.
I was not trying to mansplain.
You
okay?
both were mansplaining.
It did not. It was not intended to
I
come
said,
out
can
as
we change
mansplaining."
those to be orange lights? And they both said, you mean amber lights?
Okay,
But they are.
I apologize.
They are
for
called Amber
mansplaining.
Heard lights because they alert that there's an emergency happening. We were attempting to put the door seals on.
If you guys saw the earlier video, you'll know that we tried to install the wood bed and it was disastrous because we pulled wrong specs. So that is gonna get fixed probably last. So we will probably be driving this truck without a bed in the back, which is not ideal, but it is what it is. We did have our mirrors custom painted, so our painter did take our stock mirrors that we bought and painted them to match the truck, so definitely obsessed with that. We also had our painter custom paint these badges. These badges are really hard to find, guys, so these are the original badges that came on the truck, but we did touch them up. So this is Cardinal Red. It is a factory color from 59. It does match the truck and looks great. So obsessed with these badges. We also have our fleet side badges. These are the original fleet side badges. We did look to see if we could have these re-chrome, but guess what? Those re-chromer guys are very proud of their services, so we're not going to do that just yet, but these are in pretty good shape, so we'll get these installed as well. Steven also custom painted this as well, our painter, so that also matches. The coolest part is the letters. A lot of people use stickers for the letters, but we actually have them painted, so these are actual painted letters. The thing is even if this would have been red from the factory, I didn't want to mix match red. I really wanted to make sure that it all matched and looked uniform because I don't like the look of two different color reds or shades of red, so these are all painted Cardinal Red as well. And it looks fantastic. This is the last thing that we have to do, obviously, is the interior. A lot of these knobs need to be installed. Josh has a lot more wiring to do in here. Got to install the cluster gauge. The interior is gonna be so good, like pristine. We do have a Snowden seat coming in here. Snowden did a bunch of custom wrapped interior features. It's just gonna look so good. Also, look at this Forever Sharp steering wheel. I am seriously obsessed. And that thing closes good. All right, gang, so as you see, we actually are really close this time. I know I'm not allowed to say that. I'm banned from being saying that, but I will say there's light at the end of this tunnel. We are so close. Ugh, I'm just so ready to have this done and start taking it to shows and driving it and enjoying it. So the only things we have left are the interior and the wood bed, and I'm hopeful this will only take a couple more weeks, but thank you guys so much for following along. If you want to see this thing come fully to life, make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. This was Babe Provides, and we'll catch you next time. P.S. There might be another project already in the queue, so what will it be? Stay tuned.